28 million small businesses exist in America today. And while we may call them small, the impact they have on our daily lives is huge. They give our backyards character, uniqueness, and history. Unfortunately, half of all new small businesses fail within their first 5 years. Poor management, financial setbacks, and lack of innovation all tempt us to settle for good enough, which isn't good enough. Failure means more than losing a company. Failure hurts families and damages communities in the process. It's heartbreaking. That's why I've assembled a team of experts from around the world to get struggling business owners back on track, helping businesses rise above the stumbling blocks by focusing on their team, offer, and process, or as I like to call it, the top. Together we will turn good enough into great. I'm Super Joe Pardo, and I'm here to take businesses to the top.